point or the mechanism of a linked list, that is deletion of a node in a doubly linked list. For that, we will take some different conditions and try to solve this problem according to them. First of all, for deleting any node, we will take a condition like we have to delete a node pointed by P in a doubly linked list. Means we will accept a node from user which we have to delete and then simply delete it. For that, we will take the conditions like d node star delete. Means we will take one function that is having the return type d node, then write down its function name, then simply take the parameters like d node star head. D node star head means the previously created linked list and accept one node that is the d node type star p from the user to delete it from a linked list. Now, coming to the next, we will check some conditions like if this p, that is the node we have to delete, is this equal to head. If it is the first point we have to delete, then we will make the conditions like p pointer next pointer previous equals to null. What this statement indicates is that suppose it is a linked list, okay, doubly linked list. Now, if it is a first node and that is the node which user had given us to delete, then simply we will make the conditions like p pointer next pointer previous equals to null. Means we are breaking these connections, means making it empty. Next, we will shift this head to the next, that is head equals to p pointer next. What this statement indicates is that head equals to p pointer next, means we had shifted our head to this position, that is head become second node, and we will simply free the p which we had made the connection free. So free is the deletion of a node standard function, and we will simply return the head. Now, this is the procedure when p equals to head. Now, if this condition unsatisfied, means your p is not pointing to the head node, you have to actually double check here. A double is equal to. Now, if it is not a head node, means it is any one of the node from the remaining nodes, then we will make the conditions like p pointer previous of next equals to p pointer next. What it indicates, that is we will complete some steps and then try to analyze it. If p pointer next not equals to null, then p pointer next pointer previous equals to p pointer previous. Okay, then after completing these statements, we had make this p connection list and we will free it and return the head. Now, what these statements actually indicates. Suppose this is any one of the node in between of any node. Suppose it is p. Then we will take the conditions like p pointer previous pointer next equals to p pointer next. Means simply we had deleted this and attached this to the this. Okay, means one connection to p is broken. Then we will continue this procedure. Means at which node we will get the p, we will continue the same. Then what is the p pointer next? If p pointer next not equals to null, means if p pointer next exists, means it is not the last node, then p pointer next pointer previous equals to p pointer previous, means we had made the conditions like this. Now carefully see at this diagram, the p is from both way made the free, so we will delete it easily, so it has deleted. Then we will simply return the head. So this is the simple procedure how to delete any simple node denoted by user from a previously created linked list.